Hello, good morning. It's a brand new day. Welcome to our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. Super. Do you know what day it is? Today is Tuesday. That's right. You got it. And what day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Monday, our first day back to school after the weekend. And tomorrow is Wednesday. That's right. And what month are we in? October. There's 31 days in October. The 31st of October is Halloween. Okay, and today's the 13th. 13th. Can you practice that sound? 13th. Good. Let's read the date together. Today is Tuesday, October 13th. 2020. Superdy duperdy good. And how many letters are in the alphabet? 26. That's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when we put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5, that's right. What are they? A, E, I, O, U, vowel disco. Did you do it with me? Stand up. A, E, I, O, U, vowel disco. And how many sounds do they have? 2, that's right. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. And when it's the short sound, we mark it with the happy face. 'Cause I'm happy, clap along. If you feel like that's what you want to do. Okay, there's our happy face. Can you read these with me? Let's read our vowel chart. Let's say the sound and the word, okay? Ah, apple. Elephant. What does the elephant say? Inchworm. Ah. Ostrich. Ah. Umbrella. Superdy duperdy good. Okay, now let's read our alphabet letters that we've learned so far. Are you ready? We'll start with the vowels. The name of this letter is A. It makes the sound ah, as in apple. A says super. You guys are doing it with me? Super duper duper. Oops. What happened? Let me turn it around. There we go. The name of this letter is E. It makes the sound eh, as in elephant. What does the elephant say? E says super. The name of this letter is I. It makes the sound eh, as in inchworm. I says super duper. The name of this letter is O. Achoo! Bless me. When somebody sneezes, you say, bless you. Achoo! Teacher Christy has some allergies. That's okay. Just keep going. Nobody's here. You're out there, but we're all together learning. Okay? Super. The name of this letter is O. It makes the sound ah, as in ostrich. O says Super. The name of this letter is U. It makes the sound ah, as in umbrella. U says. Super. Now let's do the consonants that we've learned so far. The name of this letter is B. It makes the sound B, as in bell. Ding, 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 ding. B says B, B, B. Super. The name of this letter is C. It makes the sound K, as in cat. Meow, meow, meow. C says K, K, K. The name of this letter is H. It makes the sound H, as in horse. H says super. The name of this letter is L. It makes the sound L, as in lamp. L says L, L, L. The name of this letter is M. It makes the sound M, as in milk. M says M, M, M. Good. The name of this letter is N. It makes the sound N, as in nest. N says N, N, N. The name of this letter is S. It makes a sound S, as in sun. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. S says S, S, S. The name of this letter is T. It makes a sound T, as in table. T says T, T, T. Super good! You guys are amazing. Now we're going to learn a new letter today. It's the letter D. Say hi, D. Hi. Hi, D. We're so glad that you joined the club. Hi, D. And there's the capital D and the lowercase d. We're going to learn how to write it later in our writing class. Okay, and it makes the sound D, 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 as in dog. Do you have a dog? Who has a dog? D says D, D, D. Super! Now, remember when we put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a len. Okay, so we're gonna close our eyes, close our eyes, close our eyes, open our eyes. We're gonna say our blends together. And it has the happy face, so that means it's the short sound. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Ma, ma, me, 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 ha, ha, he, he, ha, ba, ba, be, be, ba, ta, 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 ti, ta, na, na, ne, ne, na, la, la, li, le, la, ka, ka, ka. We did them all super good looking, you guys. Were you reading them with me? You're amazing. I'm so happy. Okay, now we're going to play a little game called Thumbs Up. These are our thumbs. Can you show me your thumbs? It also has a sound. Thumbs. Thumbs. Show me your thumbs, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to say a word, and if it has the sound D from the letter D, we're going to give it a thumbs up. And if it doesn't, we're going to give it a thumbs down, okay? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Did you do it with me? Did you? Okay. what we're going to do is both words, I'm going to say two words, and both words have to have the sound D. If one word has the sound D and the other word doesn't, then it's a thumbs down, okay? So I'm saying two words together, okay? So we're spicing it up a little. We're making it a little harder, but you can do it because you're amazing, okay? So it has to have two words with the sound D, okay? You got it? Two words. If only one, Okay, here we go. On our marks. Get set. Go. Here we go. Donkey. We'll put it like this. Donkey. Donut. Thumbs up! You got it! Dime. Penny. Thumbs down. No. Here we go. Are you ready? Dad. Dig. Thumbs up. Super. Okay, keep your listening ears on. Here we go. Elephant. Egg. Thumbs down. No D sounds in there. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Doll. Truck. Thumbs down. Here we go. Here's the next one. Dog. Duck. Thumbs up. Here we go. Last one. Deer. Dust. Deer. Dust. Thumbs up. Super. Did you like that game? I like that game too. You guys are great. Okay, so now we're going to look here on the board. It says letters and sounds, page 38. Look, we're going to color. Look it's a parrot. And he's on a branch in a tree, and there's leaves. And it says, look at the vowel in each word. Okay, let's just do this one. For example, which vowel is in this word? It's the letter I that makes the sound I, because it's the short sound. So look, over here, if it has the I sound in the word, then we're going to color that part of the parrot or the leaf or the branch that color. So in this case, we're going to color this part of the parrot red. There's another word. What does it say? Can you read it? Gum. So the sound, we're going to color orange. If it has the sound, we're going to color it green. If the word has the sound, we're going to color it brown. And if it has the sound, we're going to color it blue. Okay, so you have to read the words and decide what vowel sound is in that word. It says, look at the vowel in each word. Use the color key to color the picture. Okay, and then I want you to make sure to take a photo, and I want you to post it in our Facebook group, okay? Please do it. I really want to see it, okay? If you haven't had a chance to post this week, please do. It's really important, okay? Thank you. We're a team. We're in this together. As a team, we do it better. That's the way to get things done. Everybody helping everyone. Everybody helping everyone. And you help me when you post your work. Thank you. And we're in this together. We're learning and we're growing and we're having fun. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.